following video will show you how to install the Waterdrop
DA29-00003G
water filter on your refrigerator.
Take out the old filter by twisting to the left and then gently pull it down. Before using, please kindly check if the rubber rings on the filter cartridge are intact and tight to avoid the water leakage. Insert the filter and turn the filter to the right until you feel or hear a click. Reset the filter indicator light on your fridge. If you're not sure how to do this, refer to the manufacturer's instruction manual.
Dispense water, looking for a good flow rate.
It's recommended to flush the new filter a few minutes to remove any trapped air or contaminants from the system.
The Waterdrop
DA29-00003G fridge filter needs to be replaced every 6 months
or 300 gallons
to ensure clean drinking water at all times.
Whichever comes first will vary based on water condition.